This brand is running over 2,400 active ads right now. That's not a mistake. That's straight up a system right there. So let me share with you what this brand is doing in order to scale to $3 to $4 million per month. It should be very insightful for you if you have an e-commerce business, but also if you don't have an e-commerce business yet, I'm going to try to break it down and make it simple and actionable for you so that you can actually take action. So let's actually get right into it. First and foremost, they have a ridiculous amount of ads and they have a lot of products, but they're not really scaling out with a ton of products, although they actually do have a lot of products, but they're scaling out distribution. This is where they're putting a ton of emphasis, and that's how you get 2,400 active ads at once. Keep in mind, that means these are all active at once. So Meta is just going crazy showing these to the right people at the right time in order to get them to buy. It's such a wild distribution system. But we can see actually from their traffic distribution that they get very consistent traffic. So when you have this many ads, you're bound to get a lot of consistency, especially when your budget is really high, mainly because Meta has so much ammo to work with, right? It's going to be able to learn so quickly who is buying and when and why, and show them the right content piece in order to get them to perform that action. So yeah, they're getting about 650,000 monthly visitors like clockwork. And I'll show you here a brief example from my demo store. So I built a demo store inside my Shopify Lab community from scratch to demonstrate how you can build a brand with a very lean system. And you can see we're getting about 300 sessions, and it's making, this morning, it's at about $1,500. So that's almost 5x the amount of traffic in terms of sales, right? So a 1-to-5 ratio. So if we apply that to here, we get about $3 million per month in sales from that 600,000 in traffic. That could be completely off. They could be doing 500K for all we know, or they could be doing 10 million a month for all we know. We don't really know, okay? I'm just setting that disclaimer right now. Don't take this as gospel. It's just estimates to get some sort of idea of what they're doing right. Now, their landing pages are beautiful. So this is, let's just click, for example, on, let's just see this one, right? So this one seems to be doing decent. Let's click shop now and we'll see where it takes us. So it takes us to here, and you can see a couple interesting conversion rate optimization things that they're doing. So let me make myself a little smaller here. And yeah, first of all, they have a live view of somebody using it, a real UGC video of somebody here. I'm not sure what she's saying. And for all we know, this could be AI. I'm sure you could make this with AI these days. I know that you can, because my agency team can make stuff like this. But you can see it's really conversion optimized. I mean, that's really going to help somebody envision what they will look like with this product. They have even more videos here, so just tons of social proof. These guys go crazy with social proof. And these people actually do look like real UGC creators, which is only going to make this brand actually more and more valuable. I think people will value real creators over time more and more. But I will say, again, this actually could be AI for all we know. And since I don't want to, let's see what she's saying.
Down here by the legs, they're just going to be sitting nicely on your legs. They're not going to be cutting in. And here,
these are like actual ads from TikTok that they're adding to their product carousel. That's very interesting. Let's see what that looks like on mobile, just to get an idea. So you can see this is what it looks like on mobile. I'm not a huge fan actually of having the collections at the top. I would rather this just, not have that, but I'm sure they've tested this extensively and they've found that this probably increases their revenue per session. So that's probably why they do it. But I would imagine this is just cleaner. And yeah, they're really incentivizing people to join the rewards program, which is very interesting. I like this too. Amber has a 28-inch waist and 44-inch hips, wearing a Shapeable XL. So that's actually really nice. I've heard and seen from a variety of CRO people that I talk to that for fashion brands, having stuff like this really helps. Like mentioning the measurements of the model is a very important thing to have. They have a very clear guarantee. But isn't it crazy though, guys, how all of these Shopify stores that we review, even the ones that do the biggest numbers, they just all follow the same exact structure. They just have a really, really good carousel of product images, right? That sort of explain everything you need to know. In this case, they even have videos that explain everything you need to know so that you could just literally add to cart and buy. And then of course, they have a really strong guarantee right below the add to cart so that you have trust in and make a seamless buying decision. And then, of course, they have like a bunch of stuff under that with a sticky add to cart button. Very, very regular, but this looks so nice. They've done it extremely well. Now, we can see also at the top, one other thing is they got a really good offer. Buy one, get second one for 20% off. That's actually a great offer. And then free shipping on orders over $80. So, if you buy something like this, it's not quite $80. So let's see what happens when we add to cart. It's probably going to show us, oh, spend $16 more and get free shipping. And you can actually add some of these. It would be nice if this would have like an add to cart button so that you could just quickly add it to cart. Oh, I guess you can. So this is a very nice feature, super advanced cart right here. And then, yeah, so that's pretty much about it for the site. Let's look at the best sellers just lastly so we can see, what products would be interesting to sell in this category. So this one, the boot, which is silk sculpt high-waisted shorts. Interesting. These are not cheap, by the way. I mean, these are $49. That's not cheap at all. These are $64 over here. And yeah, so high-waisted mid-thigh shorts. These kind of shorts seem to be their best sellers, the ones that are the highest sales volume for this brand. Let's actually look again at best sellers. And yeah, this is their best seller right here with the straps at the top. I guess it gives you like an extra lift or something. Very interesting. Now, one thing I do want to mention quick is that for the conversion rate of this demo store that we have, we are using our free store builder theme. So I'm just saying, feel free to get this. It's literally free. So I'll leave it in the description so you can have a high converting theme to start your store with. It's really going to help all of the ads that you launch. If you have a high converting landing page, it's just going to make it easier to find winning ads and winning products as a result of winning ads and just a winning landing page. So make sure that you use that. It's literally free. There's no catch. The only catch is that I do get paid by Shopify if you keep your store for 3 months, and you get $1 a month plan actually for those 3 months. So you have 3 months to make it work. Keep watching my content, keep showing up to the live streams, and you can make it a success. And then I get paid. So it's actually a pretty cool incentive structure for me as a commerce coach, Shopify commerce coach, and then, for Shopify as well, and for you to make your store work. But let's take a look at some of the ads finally, right? So let's look at some of their oldest ads just to see, what kind of stuff they were running before that. I mean, it's going to take us forever actually to get to the bottom of this because they have 2,400 active ads. That is a ridiculous amount of ads. And, you can see a lot of these are partnership ads. In yesterday's video, I mentioned a hack with partnership ads where, you're probably not likely to be able to do partnership ads if you're a beginner, but what you can do instead is you can make a theme page for your business. So call it, for example, girl hacks, I don't know, women hacks for going out, I don't know, something like that. And you can run ads from that page. And it has a similar sort of effect as partnership ads, although it's not as powerful, of course. It's a good beginning startup, though, if you don't have access to partnership ads. So let's take a look here. I mean, yeah, I think it's just going to take us too long to get to the bottom because unfortunately, the meta ads library is kind of slow. But we can start seeing some of these are inactive. So I guess we are kind of reaching the bottom. And you can see they have a very interesting ad copy structure. Like it looks very drop shippy to me. I don't like to use the word drop shipping in these things just because I think it gives people the wrong idea. But this just looks very odd to me, and it's kind of surprising that they're doing it like this. Man, it is so buggy, the meta ads library. It's like unbelievably buggy. But yeah, you see this is one of the oldest running ads that they have, and it's a buy one get one free, so a BOGO, and it's from December 30th, so it's actually very recent. But since they're launching so many ads, we can estimate that this one might be doing pretty decent. And interestingly enough, they even have some hashtags on it, limited stock. So they're doing these things to, I guess, really make sure people view the offer, and they give you the code in there and everything. And they lead that specific ad right here, these ads, they go to this specific landing page. So this landing page is a collection page, right, where you can select any 2 items from the specified collection and enjoy the lower price item for free. Don't forget to apply the code. Buy one, get one free. And it's just for these specific items. This is actually a good idea. Basically take, because we know that these are not their best sellers because we just saw their best sellers. So we know that these are just products that maybe they just have too much stock of or stuff like that. So it's a good idea, a good way to liquidate that stock, or just get some of your other products to sell more, is to put them all in a collection like this with a very specific offer and start driving some of your winning ads to that collection page just like this. You can do this pretty easily on any Shopify theme, and I think it's a really smart idea. So very cool. This is one thing you can test. So, for those of you that are advanced, you should try to test something all the time, right? You should try to continuously test new things. And this is one thing you could test. You could try taking all your products and then putting them in a BOGO collection, and then making a collection page with a nice banner here highlighting the offer, and then taking all of your winning ads, or maybe just some of your winning ads, or maybe not even your winning ads, but just a carousel page like they're doing, advertising that promo. And it could yield a high return on ad spend and get you to sell other products that you maybe didn't previously think about. I want to go over their comment report next because they got an F. I always do this when I look at these brands. I look at the Smart Reply comment report. It's free. And yeah, they're not doing very well when it comes to this. So they have mostly neutral comments, but it doesn't seem like they're responding to many of them. So let's take a look at some of the marketing angles first of all. And then the pain points. So marketing angles: highlight true to size, supportive and comfortable fit of products. This is like one of the biggest things with brands like this. It's sort of like body positivity and comfort. Promote reward points and discount programs to encourage repeat buyers. So it's another thing they're doing. Emphasize positive user testimonials and transformational experiences. I think that's one of the strongest things about this particular niche, is that it's very easy to provide a transformation, right? Because it just has an instant effect. It's like an instant result, which is super powerful. And it's part of the reason why this brand is so successful. I'm guessing all of the ads are basically just like really crazy transformations of people going from having a lot of loose skin or, whatever, and then just shaping up really nicely and beautifully. And I think that's the main angle actually. But you can see people are experiencing delays. People are experiencing low, unresponsive customer service, sizing inconsistency. So I like to show you this, not to, dog on the brand or anything. I respect all these e-com brands that we go over, but it's to show you that even the best brands don't get it all right. So I think a lot of beginners just put they expect way too much of themselves, in the sense that you expect to have everything perfect, right? In order to, you have to have everything perfect in order to have a successful business. But that couldn't be further from the truth. Your goal should be to continuously improve and iterate, but not to perfect something before it's even launched. That is silly. Then you're never gonna launch, right? And then you have brands like this that, they have all these issues, but they don't care. They're still focusing so much on distribution, on, getting more customers and getting their name out there. It's crazy. But of course, all of this, well, not all of this, but this at least could be easily solved with Smart Reply. Bro, you guys should just get Smart Reply. It literally does this automatically. But shapewear difficult to put on despite comfort and effectiveness. So that's another thing. Lack of detailed product information, unclear pricing details. So yeah, I would seriously warn anyone from buying from this company unless you know for certain that particular product will absolutely work for you. Their customer service is ineffective and takes an extended time to respond. They also grant approval for refunds, returns, and provide links, details to do so. However, once you go through the long process of sending the item back, they never refund you. So they not only get your money for the original item, but the time, energy, and travel to ship items back. Then they get the item back and never refund you or provide credits. It is shameful. See, this would be this is so avoidable. Let's see where they commented this. I'm actually curious. Okay, so they hid that post completely now. That was from 2 months ago, so who knows. But we got some from 1 week ago. They're full of ish. I paid for an item in November before Thanksgiving. Asked me, do I have it? I've been emailing them about my order. No response. Isn't that crazy, guys? Brands at this level, they experience these same issues that you're worried about when you don't even have any customers, right? So just keep that in mind. And lastly, I do want to share, you can source products like this, believe it or not, pretty easily. We have a free sourcing tab inside our Shopify platform, which is an e-com hub for you. It's That's my goal. I want to make ShoppyLab.ai just like the ecom hub where you can go there for free and get all the resources you need in order to build a successful Shopify store. And that's actually how I built this demo store. I built it step by step inside ShoppyLab in the course section. And I use Team Drop. Team Drop is my preferred agent. I do have some of the other ones here in case for whatever reason you prefer other sourcing platforms, but Team Drop is my preferred sourcing agent. I basically just take screenshots of products every day and send them over to them to get them sourced, and they send me a link to just directly add to my store. So we got supply chain pretty handled, and that's the biggest part of e-commerce that makes it difficult is supply chain, to be honest. So if you can optimize your supply chain, you're going to have a much easier time scaling your business and launching your business as well. So make sure you check that out. Just go to ShoppyLab.ai and then you go to the ShoppyLab sourcing section. This is free to access. You just need a ShoppyLab account, but it's free. And then click on Team Drop. And when you do that, you're going to go through my link. So they're going to know that you came from my link, which will help you get better support. I've heard that from multiple members. They say that they get better support because they mentioned that they came from ShoppyLab. I don't think Team Drop should be doing that, picking favorites, but at the same time, I do understand it. So anyways, all in all, this brand is beautiful, super inspiring, great niche, and 2,400 ads. I mean, that is no joke. Their distribution system is quite impressive, but that's about it. Peace.